The binary search might be a bit difficult to explain without a board to write on, but let's try. The binary search works for a list that is sorted, and in this case you'll see a sorted list at the bottom from Ben over to Yvonne on names. So the logic of the binary search is, it says let's look at the list that starts at first and last, identify the element in the middle. If the element in the middle is not the one we're looking for, and the one we're looking for is smaller than that one, then we look at the first part of the list. If the one that we're looking for is bigger than the one at the middle, we look at the second part of the list. Okay, so if you see what happens inside the while loop, the middle one is first plus last divided by 2, so you find the position of the middle one. And then you say to yourself, okay, if it is the one I'm looking for, if wanted is equal to the one at mid, then I return that position because that's where I found it. Okay? If it's not the one at mid, but if it's less than the one at mid, notice current is the one at mid in this scenario. So if wanted is less than the one at mid, then I need to look at the first part of the array. Therefore, I change last to mid minus 1 and first stays unchanged. Okay? If the one I'm looking for is bigger than the one at mid, that's the last else, then I need to look at the second part of the list, and therefore I need to make first to become mid plus 1 and last stays unchanged. If I go right through this loop and at some stage first becomes less than or equal to last, it simply means I haven't found it and I return a minus 1. I'll do a tracing of this in the next video.